If your Night Owl DVR has been freezing, glitching, or you just want to wipe everything and start fresh, doing a full factory reset can get it running smoothly again. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can reset your system with confidence, even if you've never done it before. Start by making sure you're on the DVR's main menu. You may need to sign in using your admin username and password, so go ahead and log in if it asks. Once you're inside the menu, look for the Advanced section. It's usually easy to spot toward the upper part of the screen, and this is where most of the deeper system tools are located. When you open the Advanced menu, click the tab labeled Maintain. Inside this section, you should find an option called Load Default or Restore Default. Different versions of Night Owl place it in slightly different spots, but it's normally near the bottom or paired with a small gear icon. That's the option that handles factory resets. After you select it, the DVR will ask what type of reset you want to perform. You can choose to reset only system settings, only network settings, or go all the way and return everything to its original factory defaults. If you want the cleanest fresh start, choosing to reset everything is usually the best option. Once you've made your choice, confirm by selecting OK. The DVR will begin the reset process and automatically restart. This part is normal, and you might see the screen go black or flash before it loads back in. When it powers up again, your Night Owl DVR will be restored to the settings it had right out of the box, giving you a clean slate to set everything back up the way you want. That's all there is to it. A quick factory reset can solve a lot of issues and get your security system performing like new again.